Hey, my beautiful friends, I hope you're doing well and taking good care of yourself. Sometimes the simplest things in our kitchen can turn out to be the most powerful remedies for our health, beauty, and energy. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite little secrets, a homemade collagen-boosting powder made from just 4 humble seeds: pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. Yes, that's it. Just 4 seeds that you probably already have at home. But when they come together, they create a nutrient powerhouse that can help your skin glow, your hair shine, your joints feel stronger, and even your digestion improve. And the best part? It's all natural, free from chemicals or preservatives, and can be stored easily for everyday use. Let's start with the first ingredient, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, are small but mighty. They're rich in zinc, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants. Now, zinc is the star here. It plays a huge role in collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and wrinkle-free. Without enough zinc, our body struggles to produce collagen effectively. That's why pumpkin seeds are often called skin food. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also high in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals, the little troublemakers that damage our cells and speed up aging. If you're someone who feels tired often or struggles with hair fall, pumpkin seeds can help with that too, because they're packed with protein and healthy fats that nourish your body from the inside out. So in short, pumpkin seeds keep your skin youthful, your hair strong, and your body energized. Next up is flax seeds. Oh, these tiny brown seeds are a treasure chest of nutrients. They're best known for being rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Now, omega-3s are essential fats that our body can't make on its own. We need to get them from food. And they're crucial for healthy skin because they keep it soft, supple, and well hydrated. Omega-3s also reduce inflammation. You know how sometimes our skin feels irritated, or we get those random breakouts, or even joint stiffness? That's often due to inflammation in the body. Flax seeds help calm that down. They're also high in lignans, a type of plant compound that balances hormones, especially in women. Balanced hormones mean fewer breakouts, better mood, and smoother menstrual cycles. So flax seeds are not just good for your skin, they're good for your overall harmony and balance. Now let's talk about sunflower seeds. These little seeds are like nature's vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E is one of the most powerful antioxidants for skin health. It protects your skin cells from damage caused by pollution, sun exposure, and even stress. Think of it like a natural shield against aging. But there's more. Vitamin E also helps your skin retain moisture. So if you often struggle with dryness, sunflower seeds are your friend. And here's a fun fact. Vitamin E works even better when paired with vitamin C foods like fruits and veggies. So when you eat this powder as part of a balanced diet, you're giving your skin the full package of protection and repair. Sunflower seeds are also rich in selenium, which supports thyroid function and immunity. So while you're nourishing your skin, you're also taking care of your energy and metabolism. Finally, we have sesame seeds. Now, sesame seeds are a bit underrated, but they're absolutely amazing. They're rich in calcium, iron, and healthy fats. Calcium doesn't just strengthen bones, it also supports healthy teeth and nails. Sesame seeds also contain compounds that help protect collagen from breaking down. So while the other seeds help your body produce more collagen, sesame seeds help preserve it. That's a double win. Plus, they're delicious and add a nutty flavor to our powder. Now that we've met our 4 ingredients, let's move to the kitchen step. Take a clean pan, heat it on low, and start adding your seeds one by one. First, add pumpkin seeds. Let them pop slightly. Then add flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. Stir them gently so they roast evenly. Dry roasting does 2 things. First, it brings out the natural oils and flavors, making the seeds tastier. Second, it makes the seeds easier to digest and grind. As the seeds roast, the aroma will fill your kitchen. It's such a cozy, earthy smell. Collagen is like the scaffolding of our body. It's the protein that gives structure to our skin, bones, tendons, and even blood vessels. When we're young, our body produces plenty of collagen, which is why children have plump cheeks and smooth skin. But after the age of 25, collagen production starts to decline by about 1% every year. That's when we slowly start noticing fine lines, weaker joints, or slower healing. By the time we're in our 40s or 50s, the decline becomes more visible. Now here's the good news. While we can't completely stop aging, and honestly we shouldn't, we should embrace it gracefully, we can slow it down by giving our body the right nutrients like zinc, vitamin E, omega-3s and calcium. We help it keep collagen for longer. And that's exactly what this powder does. It's like giving your body the raw materials it needs to keep rebuilding itself. Try this at home and let me know how you like it. And I'd love to know, which country are you watching this video from? Comment below and let's see how far our little seed recipe is traveling around the world. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy and natural recipes. Sending you love and good health always. Okay, seeds are roasted now. While they cool, let me tell you, this powder is not just about glowing skin and anti-aging. It has so many other benefits. Flax seeds provide fiber that help keep your gut happy and regular. Pumpkin and sunflower seeds contain magnesium and healthy fats that support a strong heart. These seeds are protein-rich, so they keep you full and energized without heavy snacking. Zinc and selenium help your immune system fight off infections naturally. Omega-3s from flax seeds support mental clarity and reduce stress. So in every spoon of this powder, you're not just getting beauty benefits, but also strength, energy, and wellness. Once your roasted seeds cool, transfer them into a blender or grinder. Blend them into a coarse powder. Don't overgrind, the oils may make it sticky. Just enough to get a nice smooth texture. Store this powder in an airtight glass jar. Keep it in a cool, dry place and it will stay fresh for up to a month. If you make a bigger batch, you can even refrigerate it. Now the fun part, how to use this collagen-boosting powder. Add 1 tablespoon to your morning smoothie. Mix it into warm milk or golden turmeric milk. Sprinkle it over salads or soups for a nutty flavor. Add it to your oatmeal or porridge for an extra health kick. Consistency is key. Having it once in a while won't make a huge difference, but taking it daily, even just 1 spoon, can bring visible changes over time. If you don't want to grind, just store the roasted seeds as they are. Keep them in a jar and have 1 to 2 spoonfuls daily as a crunchy snack. Sprinkle over your salad or mix with yogurt. Both methods are equally healthy. It's just about what's more convenient for you. The powder is easy to mix into drinks and the whole seeds are perfect as an on-the-go snack. So friends, that's our simple homemade collagen boosting seed powder. Just 4 seeds, a little roasting, a quick grind, and you've got a jar of goodness ready to support your health, beauty, and energy every day in the year. Remember, aging is natural and beautiful, but if we can age gracefully with strong bones, glowing skin, and healthy energy, why not give our body that extra support? If you try this recipe, I promise you'll love not just the taste, but also the benefits. So go ahead, make a small batch and start adding it to your daily routine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends and family. They'll thank you later for this little wellness tip. Until next time, stay happy, stay glowing and stay healthy.